How to fix Temu connection problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. So you will see apps is here. Scroll down and search Temu app from here. So you will see Temu app is here, so click on Temu app. Now here, so click on storage. So after click on storage, click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, click on clear data. After click on clear cache and clear data, you will see your problem is solved. So if it not solved, go back to home screen and turn on airplane mode. So you will see. After turn off airplane mode, you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Temu connection problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.